Hello, and welcome to another tutorial on how to play basic piano using this Faber Adventures book. I'm using the primer level lesson book. It's the purple one and second edition. That's important. I'm going to go over the walking song. I'm going to play it first, then I'll break it down. So my right hand needs to be up here on the black notes. So is my left hand using 2, 3, and 4. And here we go. Right hand starts. And then I'm done. So notice there's a double bar line at the end of the music. This is a new concept. That means you're done. That's the finish line. All of the notes are played with these 3 fingers, 2, 3, and 4 in each hand. We only play one note at a time, one hand at a time, one finger at a time. All the notes are quarter notes, so they should all be an even count, as you learned about quarter notes earlier. So we start with our right hand using 2, and I have all the finger numbers written in the music, so I can actually play by finger number, which is a great way to start. 2, 3, 4, with the notes going up and now going back down. 3, 2, and now back up to 3, and then 4, and then the last 4 is repeated. The last note for the right hand is repeated. Now the left hand plays, and you'll notice they're the same finger numbers, but that means we're playing in the opposite direction. So I start with my second finger, but it's going to be on this note rather than on this note, which I played earlier. So it's this note, this finger, second finger, down, and now back up. 3, 2, 3, 4, 4 again, and then the piece is done. If you were to play these side by side, they would look like this. Same finger numbers going in opposite directions. So if you have the same finger numbers in your music, that means your hands are moving in the opposite direction. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Please, if you want to support the channel, then smash the like button, subscribe, and share the video, and let me know if you have any questions. Have fun!